Have you ever ignored hunger because you thought you might have eaten too much just a little while ago? Or maybe you've tried to silence that hunger with coffee, tea, or gum? Here's the truth. Ignoring your hunger only sets you up for overeating later. In today's video, I'm sharing why trusting your hunger signals is the key to better health and how you can start reconnecting with this critical body cue today. Hi, I'm Bonnie Giller, registered dietitian and certified intuitive eating counselor. My mission is to help women stop dieting and start trusting their bodies again and trusting themselves with food. If that sounds like what you need, just hit the subscribe button and join this amazing community where we're ditching diet culture and finding freedom together. Hunger is not the enemy, yet so many women have been taught to fear it or ignore it. Let's break that cycle today by exploring why listening to your body and your hunger is crucial for your health. Number one, why hunger is a biological necessity, you might ask? Well, hunger isn't something to fight. It's your body's way of saying, hey, I need energy. Ignoring it disrupts your metabolism and makes you more likely to overeat later. 2, let's talk about the effects of ignoring the hunger. When you suppress your body's hunger, your body produces more hunger hormones. It's a survival mechanism designed to prevent starvation, but it also leads to intense cravings and binging. 3, how do you start listening to the cues of hunger? Check in regularly. Throughout the day, ask yourself, well, am I hungry? This simple question helps you to reconnect with your body's natural signals. Use the hunger fullness meter. So try to rate your hunger on a meter from 1, starving, to 10, over full. Aim to start eating around a 3 or a 4 and stop at a comfortable 6 or 7. Now, if you're not sure how to assess these levels, I'm happy to help. Just comment below this video and I'll reach out. Stop labeling hunger as good and bad. It is normal to be hungry. It is something to celebrate. Embrace it as a healthy and necessary signal rather than something to feel guilty about. And finally, the big picture. Learning to trust your hunger isn't just about eating. It's about healing your relationship with food and your body. When you listen, you give your body what it truly needs, which leads to better health and well-being overall. Trusting your hunger can feel scary at first, but with practice, it becomes second nature. Your body is built to guide you. You just have to start listening. Now, if this video helped you, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments. What is one way that you're committing to honoring your hunger this week? I would love to cheer you on. And if you think this video can be helpful to someone else, please go ahead and hit that share button. All right, that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video.